So hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study lines and angles chapter of class 9, the very first exercise, that is 6.1. So the question says that in figure lines AB, this is line AB and CD intersect at O. Okay, so if angle AOC, this angle, and angle BOE, this angle, if we include or if we plus these two angles, we get 70 degree, right? And then angle BOD, this angle is 40 degree. Okay, now what we have to find is, we have to find angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. This is COE, but reflex of this will be somewhere here like this. Okay, we have to find this angle. So let's find one by one. Now first, we know that straight line is 180 degree. Okay, now let's write the given things, that is angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree, right? It is given in the question. Next, what is given? Angle BOD is 40 degree. So what we have to find here is, we have to find angle, let me write here, find angle BOE and angle COE reflex. So first let us find angle BOE. Okay, so how are we going to find? We know that straight angle is 180 degree. Here, this is a straight angle, right? AB is a straight line. So in the straight line, how many angles are there? We can see that angle AOC is there. This angle, this is the first angle. Next, which angle do we have? We have COE. Okay, this is the second angle. Next, EOB, this is the third angle. So these all are there in the straight line. So first let us write that. So angle AOC plus angle COE, right? COE plus angle EOB or BOE. I'll write EOB is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because it is a straight line. Next, we know that angle AOC plus angle BOE is how much? 70 degree. So let's substitute this one, this angle, and this angle is how much? 70 degree. 70 degree plus we don't know the angle of COE. So let's write COE is equals to 180 degree, right? Now angle COE is equals to 180 degree. If it is here plus, then if it comes to RHS side, it will be minus. So angle COE will be 110 degree. Sorry. So angle COE will be 110 degree. Okay, but we don't have to find angle COE. We have to find the reflex, right? So now what we are going to do is, reflex in the sense, we have to find this angle. So sum of all angle is 360 degree. So what we are going to do here, we are just going to minus 360 degree minus 110 degree. Okay, so it will be how much? 250 degree. So now angle COE reflex will be 250 degree. This is reflex. Okay, so we have found out COE reflex angle. Okay, so now we have to find angle BOE. So it's pretty easy. But before finding BOE, first you understand this thing. COA, see here, COA and BOD. These are what? Vertically opposite angles, right? So with that case, we can prove BOE. Okay, so angle COA is equals to angle BOD. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so we already know that BOD is 40 degree. Am I right? So if BOD is 40 degree, so even COA is also 40 degree. Right? Now, angle AOC plus angle BOE. See here, angle AOC and angle BOE. Right? It is how much? 70 degree. It is given in the question. So what we have to find? BOE. This one. Okay. So AOC is how much? 40 degree plus BOE, we are finding it now, is equals to 70 degree. Angle BOE is equals to 70 degree. If it is here plus, then if it comes to RHS side, it will be minus. So angle BOE will be 30 degree. Okay, so reflex of angle COE is how much? how much we got here? 250 degree, right? 250 degree, and angle BOE is how much? 30 degree. Okay, so we have found out the first problem solution. So let's go for the another one, guys. But before going to the second question, my thing is that whichever question you practice, even one question also, you have to be very perfect in that. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my own question. Okay, so those who are interested, they can do, or you may skip this. Okay, but it's gonna be pretty easy. So the same diagram, I'm just going to change the values. Okay, so here it will be, I'll write here, this is my own question. Okay, so angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 100 degree. Okay, and then BOD is equals to 80 degree. So what you have to find here is, again you have to find BOE and angle COE reflex you have to find. Okay, so find it out and leave your answer in the comment section. Okay, so if you complete this question, I can approve that you have understood this question. Okay, you may have a reference of these all solutions, then again you can go with this. Okay, this is a question and it has the same diagram. Okay, no changes, just the value is changed here. Okay.